That's how much this listing has made in just a matter of months. But how? Hey there, Rebel. Today is all about customized trending products and why customized products sell so well. I'm also going to be walking you through step by step how I would create a product like this using some of my favorite tools. So let's get started. First, I want to take a closer look, a little bit more within the data of this best-selling Etsy product. Looking through Everbee, I'm able to kind of see more of the behind-the-scenes data of what makes this product a bestseller. This product connects to the evergreen niche of pets. What's an evergreen niche? An evergreen niche is something that is always trending, always relevant, and always searchable, like pets. If you're looking for more print-on-demand evergreen niche ideas, check out this video. But this product, although it is an evergreen product and connects to the evergreen pet niche, it also connects to a on-trend design aesthetic, making it stand out and be more desirable within a certain target customer base. I would also say a huge plus of this product and why it is a bestseller is the fact that it is a customizable product. Seriously, just look at that data. But how do you create a design like this? I'm going to walk you through Canva, Kittl, Procreate, and lastly Gelato in order to create a design just like this. Now this is how I would do it, but I hope this is helpful to you and teaches you a way to create customizable designs like this in a easy to follow step-by-step way. So let's get started. What's really cool about Gelato, when you open a free account, you will get 50% off your first sample order. Stick around and I'll show you what it looks like and give you a more in-depth look of the actual Gelato product. Let's head to step one. Step one is all about a puppy photo shoot. For this example, I took pictures of my dog. For your listing, you need photos from your customers. I'd say ask for 5 to 10 customer photos and then specifics of how the photo should look. Like you want headshots, full body shots, side profiles. Just give them an idea of what bad examples are and then what you're looking for. So when they go to send you their personal pictures, they have a better idea of what they should be sending you. So there's just less back and forth conversations. I'd also suggest that you make sure to send them some type of mock-up or proof before you process that design onto their product of choice. Once I am all done with taking pictures, I actually, within my phone, have the Canva app. So I log onto my Canva app and I'm going to upload all of the photos that I just took of my dog into my Canva app. And then when they are done uploading into Canva from my phone, I'm going to hop onto my laptop to continue with step 3. So my photos are uploaded. I can easily select them and they will generate onto my canvas. And from here, step 3 is to remove the background. In order to remove the background of your image that you have uploaded onto Canva, you need to have a pro account. From there, when you click your image, select edit, and then remove background, Canva will auto remove the background. If you feel like a little bit of areas still need to be erased, you can go ahead and click remove background again, and then do that with your mouse cursor. After I have removed the background from all of the images that I've uploaded and want within my design, step 4, I'm going to head to Kittl and create the text that's going to say my dog's name. So when you get to Kittl, you have to create a new project, and I'm selecting the 4200 by 4800 sized canvas. This is going to give me wide enough area, but also a long enough area to create my text on. From there, you can select text, or you can go into where there is text already created for you. There's one that I found that already has that gradient effect on it. So I have uploaded that text onto my canvas, and then I'm just going to edit it to say the name of my dog, which is Tater Tot. And then by selecting the font color, if you go up to where that drop down arrow is, instead of a solid color, you would select linear gradient. Linear means line, so it is going straight across. And then from there, you are simply going to select the colors that you want your linear gradient font to have and include. Now, because I've split Tater Tot's name into two layers, one on top of the other, I selected 3 colors for the top text and then the other remaining colors for my bottom text. I'm going to download this with a transparent background, and then these colors I'm going to then incorporate into the background of my design as well as the image backgrounds of my designs. After we got our text done, I'm going to hop back into Canva and make sure to download all of my files that I removed the background from and download them with a transparent background. In order to download images with a transparent background, you have to have Canva Pro. Once I have downloaded all of my images with that transparent background, now I'm going to hop into Procreate. Within Procreate, I'm going to create a 5000 by 5000 pixel canvas, which you can do by selecting the top right plus button. From there, I'm going to show you how I'm gonna add the kind of glow background effect on each of my images. So I'm going to upload the image of Tater Tot, and then creating an additional layer, I'm going to move that layer behind him. So whatever I do on that layer is going to show up behind him and not on top. Then I'm simply going to just trace around him however the pose is in the picture in the colors that I want. So these are the colors directly from the text that I have created in Kittl. After I have traced an outline around him, I'm going to go up to the toolbar and select the little wrench icon and then go down to Gaussian blur and put it up to about 30 to 35%. This is going to give it kind of that glowing kind of neon sign look, which is what I'm going for. You're going to continue to do this in your desired colors for each photo that you have uploaded. Then I'm going to create an overall glowy background for my design I'm going to upload all of my photos onto this background, so I want it to kind of match and be the same colors. So I'm going to create a new canvas in Procreate, another 5000 by 5000 pixel canvas, and then use all of the colors within my text, add them all. I've added purple, pink, orange, yellow, and green. And then when I have all my colors on my canvas, again, I'm going to go up to that toolbar, hit the wrench icon, and then select Gaussian blur and blur this enough so it's very, very blurry and very glowy. After I have my background and all of my pictures of Tater Tot, I'm going to add my text and all of the pictures onto the background that I have just created. So what you have to do is download your images from Procreate and then upload them just like we inserted our pictures in order to create each individual picture with that glow background. So it's a little bit of back and forth, but the more you work with Procreate, the more you're able to kind of streamline this process and kind of understand what you need to do in order to upload, download, create a new file, etc. So I have downloaded all of my files of Tater Tot, all of our pictures that we have the glow background on, as well as the text that we have created from Kittl, all with a transparent background on that new glowy background that we have designed. I'm going to organize these how I like them, and then when I am finished with this design, I'm going to share it as a PNG file and then upload it back into Canva, so then I can create mock-up images for my Etsy listing using this design file. It's a lot of back and forth, but again, once you create this one design file, it's kind of going to be more of a streamlined process because now you know when you get a customer's picture, what you need to do and the order you need to do it in. So hopefully that process becomes a little bit quicker for you the more orders you get and the more times you do this. Next step, I want to add my final design onto a product. I have selected from Gelato their Comfort Colors product t-shirt. You can find these Comfort Colors t-shirts within the men's t-shirt section. I don't know what it is about Comfort Colors, but they literally are awesome. The quality of the t-shirt itself is just so top tier for me. The printing, I believe, oh my gosh, like this is a direct to garment printed t-shirt and Gelato just knocked it out of the park. Look at that crispness. Look at the colors. This is after I have washed this shirt and it looks amazing. There is a correct way to wash your shirt. I personally use non-scented, nothing like free and clear laundry detergent. I wash my custom like direct to garment printed shirts inside out and I wash them with warm water. And then when it comes to drying, I will again make sure they are still inside out and dry on low. Be careful with how you treat your print on demand products. I would also recommend that you let your clients and your customers know within your mock-up listing photos so they have kind of care instructions to physically see and read, as well as within the description. And thirdly, I would make sure to send that to them in the customer order form, kind of like a quick little paragraph that you can just copy and paste and send to your customers when they place an order with simple to follow care instructions for keeping the longevity of their products that they're ordering from you. So once I have uploaded my file into Gelato, I'm going to kind of create a listing for this product. You want to go through your mockups, select your mockups from Gelato. I absolutely love that they give you more of an in-depth look at your profits and your profit margins. I prefer to price all of my sizes the same, whether someone's ordering a small versus a 4XL, which Comfort Colors comes in all those different sizes, which again is just awesome. From there, once pricing and mockups are all set, you're going to create your titles, your descriptions, add your tags, and then publish your listing. When you publish your listing from Gelato onto your Etsy shop, it's going to show up in your drafts. From there, you can go into your Etsy listing, add the rest of your mockup photos, add more tags if you need to, add in all of that extra kind of drop downs in order to create a kind of Etsy good to go listing. And from there, you publish and you're live. But let me show you how I created some of these mock-up images for my listing. So you know how we downloaded and uploaded our final design into Canva instead of just directly into Gelato? That's because I used that final design image to create some of these mock-ups that you see here. Again, it's just kind of giving my customer a little bit of details as far as what I'm looking for, what they're going to get, and then how I kind of do the whole process of like taking their pictures, removing the background, and then how I create the design. Again, you can add more detail into your description, and truly if a customer is curious or wants to know more, they will reach out to you via Etsy or maybe social media, etc. That's it. I know it's a lot. It seems like it wouldn't be that much, but really looking at these best-selling Etsy listings, now you can kind of understand and appreciate the work that goes into creating these customized products, but also why they sell so well. They are truly a one-of-a-kind piece. Would you offer something like this in your print-on-demand shops? Let me know what your favorite tool was or how you would do this differently. I would love to know your process. Until then, I can't wait to see what you create. See you later, Rebel.